Very dated, very, very dated. It was about 25 years old at least. It was the typical honey oak, and we knew it was new kitchen time. So I wanted something light, bright, happy, neutral, so I could go crazy with my colors like I like to do. So that's exactly what I did. It has a door that is like a shaker door. The door style is Pendleton. And then I selected the color. Oh, and they, by the way, they are all maple because it gives a better finish to the paint. And I ordered it in a light mocha. And what is so neat, we have the above and below cabinet lighting, LED strip lighting put in, and it is so pleasant at night not to have blaring lights coming from the kitchen, just soft enough so you can sneak in here and have a snack and see what kind of snack you're getting. We love them. We just love the color. And the backsplash, oh, I had a couple that I picked. And this one, it is by Glazio. The color is Winter Forge is the color. It has all the different shades that I have through my entire house, so it'll go with anything. We did a quartz top. Oh, it's beautiful. It's light and bright, and I did make some changes. This is basically the format that we did have for our old kitchen, but I had a place on the other side of the island here where you could pull stools up to. We never used them. We used our dining room table. So, and you know, that space, because I like the nice wide island, why not take that 6 inches or whatever it was, 12 inches, and put cabinets on the other side for storage for those things that you use occasionally, like platters and crock pots and things like that that you don't want sitting on your counter, but you got a spot for them and they're easily accessible. I have also something I've always wanted, and that is appliance garage. I just love it because I can put my toaster, my coffee maker, oh, anything, my mix master, all those things that junk up a kitchen, you know. We have lots and lots of Lazy Susans built in, and lots of places for spices, cabinets for spices, because we do use a variety of those. And all of the drawers and doors have the soft close, which is absolutely fabulous. GE makes this color. I believe it's a steel product. It is called slate. Turns out it matches the handles on the cabinets and everything. Believe this or not, I never had a dishwasher. I was told by my mother a long time ago, you have 2 hands. Those are dishwashers. Well, at any rate, I now have a dishwasher, and I have all new appliances. I mean, this is like brand new to me. Bruce Gardner, who is the foreman, I cannot tell you, I've never met anybody like Bruce as far as being in the trades. He was right there, Johnny, on the spot for everything, or calling me if there was a change, and he just took such good care of us. And Linda Adamson was our stylist designer. Oh, she was so helpful. I mean, this was a positive experience. We love our new kitchen. We just love our new kitchen.